Hello and welcome everyone to Silver Asset of the Day for the 23rd of September 2020, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. Now, following on from yesterday's report of Gold Asset of the Day, the same remains very true here. You need to be nimble at the moment in these markets, taking your profits off the table regularly, making sure that you're protecting trades and not just buying and holding, expecting the precious metals just to keep going up without any profit taking. You have to remember, right now, we're towards the end of the quarter where you're going to see profit taking from hedge funds, money managers, banks, institutions. This is very common as you go into the third week of September to see this sort of price action. Typically, the dollar will do very well. You'll get this downtick in price action with the metals that you can capitalize on, and you want to be very nimble. As you mentioned, you want to be locking in your profits regularly, making sure that you're aware of the key areas of liquidity. As you mentioned to you at the start of the week, we locked in 200 points on gold. In fact, right now, we're currently up over 100 points on our dollar index position, and we're also up over 200 points on natural gas, a new position that we executed today, where natural gas prices have rocketed over 9% to the upside. So currently, that's 500 points. Every one lot traded, that's $5,000 profit. Every 10 lots traded, that's $50,000 of profit, which of course our members are capitalizing on. So again, going back to silver here, there are some key points that you need to be aware of. The gold silver ratio has broken out this week. It's broken out to 80-1. When the ratio is surging as it is right now, this will put pressure on both gold and silver, but gold will outperform silver. We've seen it today with silver prices breaking down to $23 per ounce. Also, the dollar index has surged to 6-week highs. It's currently trading above the 94 zone. And with that, we're likely to see precious metals continue to be under pressure for the time being. We also have the first presidential debate, which is due to take place next Tuesday, and of course, non-farm payroll next Friday as well. These major news items will create volatility, which gives you an opportunity to trade. We need these pullbacks and corrections, which are happening right on time as well. This is typically the case. Go back through the last few years, in the month of September, right at the end of the quarter, you see profit taking on the metals. This comes back to understanding the cycles in the market, the capital flows, the need for profit taking towards the end of the quarter, and this is all to be expected, the price action that we're seeing at the moment. And again, this is why you need to lock in profits regularly, that you'll do much better trading as opposed to just buying and holding. If you've done that over the last 2 months on the precious metals, you've effectively made no money at all. You'll do much better trading, coming out of key areas of liquidity, regularly banking your profits, protecting your positions. This is the ideal market for doing that at the moment. And of course, what we're seeing now around the world globally is new lockdown measures coming into place, where potentially you're going to have more time available again to study, to learn, and really implement a research-driven approach to the markets, where you can trade the same way that the hedge funds, institutions, the money managers do. So you're going to get that edge in the market, utilizing data, market intelligence, key areas of liquidity, where you can really maximize the gains that we're going to see with all of the volatility between now and the end of the year, and in the lead up to the US election as well. So if you would like to find out more, learn a research-driven approach to the markets, join a community of successful traders, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to make an application to become a member of the Gold and Silver Club.